What's going on, Facebook land? James again, A2Z pressure washing. Right here. 832-248-2131 or a2zpressurewashing.com. So today we still out here in Cypress. This is the stripped and brightened section of the fence so far. And a buddy of mine stopped by, actually two buddies of mine stopped by and had a little chit chat, so kind of behind the power curve a little bit, but you can see here we've stripped and rinsed here, and we're putting the stripper on here, and then we have all this to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what we got when we apply the stripper. So bear with me here just a second, and here we go. So we're applying the stripper here evenly onto the existing stain, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you keep it moist. You want to keep it wet, you know. You don't want it to dry up on you. So when you're rinsing it off, kind of every so often, shoot down to the next section and give it a little touch of water or whatnot. But this is it. I don't know if I'm filming very good. I'm kind of watching the stripper more than the film, so that's usually what happens, right? So, okay, here we go. I'll watch it a little bit more for you. So it's just gentle application of our stripper, and I don't know, 5-10 minutes dwell time, and that'd be it, man. So it's a time-consuming process, solely because, well, it's got to be done right. You don't want to screw up your client's wood and have it replaced. You don't want to be leaving scorch marks on there from your 40 or your 15-degree tip. So you don't use that. Use a soft wash tip, because as Mr. Blaine Lynch from Sudsy pointed